They say knowledge is power. Wrong. Knowledge by itself is nothing. If knowledge was power, librarians would be billionaires, and every single person with a degree would be financially free. But they're not. Why? Because the real power isn't knowledge. It's applied knowledge. It's action. See, most people don't have a lack of information. They have a lack of execution. They read all the books, they take all the courses, they watch the videos, and then they just sit on it. They don't apply. And in business, the gap between knowing and doing is the gap that decides whether you're broke or wealthy. Think about it. Every single strategy you'll ever need is already out there. The internet has absolutely leveled the playing field. But the ones who win aren't the ones who know the most. They're the ones who move the most, who take the risks and who make the calls, who try, fail, and adjust. So no, knowledge is not power. It's potential. Action is power. The faster you close the gap between what you learn and what you apply, the faster you will separate yourself from the 99% who just know. That is the truth.